Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Acer Nitro 5 black screen. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having a problem with your Acer Nitro 5 here, and you're just getting that black screen whenever you're turning it on, well in this case, there is something that you try doing here. So first things first is you want to go ahead and basically unplug anything that is on your Acer laptop here, which in this case that includes USBs, mouse, external keyboards, anything. So in this case, what we need to do is you want to look for the power button here. Now, also make sure you have enough power when you do this. So what you need to do with your power button is you want to press and hold this for about 20 seconds. Now, when I say 20 seconds, the full duration of the 20 seconds. So just count slowly here and the full duration of that second. So once the 20 seconds is actually up, this will actually restart your laptop, which in this case actually kind of soft resets it, but not necessarily deletes all your information or your files here. It just does a soft reset, but to be speaking, that should solve your issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.